Good morning. Welcome to Radio Express. News reading by Anakha Saju. The working mechanism for consultation and coordination on India-China border affairs will meet today to try and find a way to resolve the military standoff along the line of actual control in Ladakh. However, hopes of a breakthrough are low considering the rigid Chinese stance during diplomatic and military talks in the past month. The centre has repeatedly insisted that the PM CARES Fund is not answerable to citizens under the RTI Act, as it is not a public authority. However, on March 27th, the day the fund was announced on, the Ministry of Corporate Affairs had made the case for PM CARES being a fund set up by the central government. File notings assessed through RTI show that Ministry of Corporate Affairs late night memo on March 28th clarifying that Indian companies' contributions could be counted for their corporate social responsibility obligations depended on the reasoning that the PM CARES Fund was set up by the central government. The armed forces have recorded 12,640 COVID-19 cases among its serving personnel so far, of which 4,744 were still in hospital till Tuesday. According to data available till August 17th, there were 25 deaths while the rest were discharged. This amounts to less than 0.2%. While the total number of cases in India is over 27.67 lakh, the case fatality ratio is 1.91%. The centre has ordered withdrawal of 10,000 paramilitary personnel from Jammu and Kashmir, the single biggest reduction of troops from the Union Territory since their presence was stepped up around August 5th last year. The development comes even as militant activity continues in the valley, with forces regularly coming under attack. According to sources, the order will not weaken the security setup as there are enough forces in the valley. Barely a decade after its entry, Harley-Davidson Incorporated is looking to wind down its assembly operation in India as a result of weak sales and a lack of visibility for future demand, industry executives said. The iconic US motorcycle maker has sent out feelers to a few automakers through consultants for a possible outsourcing arrangement using its leased assembly facility at Bawal in Haryana, a person privy to the preliminary talks said. The decision is in keeping with its latest revised strategy to focus on about 50 markets, mainly in North America, Europe, and parts of Asia Pacific that represent the majority of the company's volume and growth potential. The Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Tirth Kshetra Trust, which has been set up to construct the Ram Temple in Ayodhya, on Wednesday asked people from the community to donate copper strips and 2-inch copper rods for the temple's construction and said that the temple is being built in a way to last at least 1,000 years. The Trust's General Secretary Champat Rai told the media that the temple would be built in 36 to 40 months. The Indo-Islamic Cultural Foundation Trust, formed by the Sunni Waqf Board for construction of the mosque and developing other public facilities in Dhanipur village in Ayodhya, confirmed on Wednesday that even as a name for the mosque is yet to be agreed upon, it was decided that the mosque would not be named after the Mughal Emperor Babur or any other king or ruler. The trust is opening 2 bank accounts to start collecting money for construction purposes. Hotels in the capital can finally reopen, with the Delhi government and Lieutenant Governor Anil Baijal's office resolving their differences on the issue during a meeting of the Delhi Disaster Management Authority on Wednesday. A decision was also taken to delink banquet halls from hospitals and allow weekly markets on a trial basis, officials from the Lieutenant Governor's house said. The Delhi Chief Minister's office said gyms will remain shut as of now. Thank you for being with us.
Radio Express.
To receive Radio Express English news and English programs in your WhatsApp, please send a WhatsApp message, English programs, to 90727 95547. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Radio Express. Thank you.